What if I told you you could build real passive income starting with absolutely $0 in your bank account? Not a scam, not crypto, not some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about 7 proven income streams that real people are using right now to make money while they sleep, and every single one of them starts for free. Stay until the end because stream number 5 is the one most people overlook, and it's generating thousands every month for everyday people just like you. Welcome to Cash Flow Hacks, where we break down real strategies to build wealth, earn passive income, and escape the 9-to-5 grind. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We drop new videos every week that could literally change your financial future. Let's kick it off with digital products. And before you say, I don't know what to sell, hear me out. A digital product is anything you create once and sell forever. Templates, ebooks, Notion dashboards, budget spreadsheets, study guides. According to a 2024 Statista report, the global digital products market is projected to hit $331 billion by 2027. The best part? You create it once, upload it to Gumroad or Etsy, and every sale is 100% profit. No inventory, no shipping, no overhead. I've seen creators making $2,000 to $5,000 a month selling $9 Notion templates they built in one afternoon. Now, some of you are thinking I can't design. That's fine. Neither could most people who are doing this. Print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble and Merch by Amazon, you upload simple text-based designs onto t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. When someone buys the platform prints and ships it, you get a royalty. Zero upfront cost, zero risk. Grandview Research valued the global print-on-demand market at over $6.3 billion in 2022, and it's still growing fast. Start with simple slogans. Use Canva, upload 20 designs. Scale from there. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. I'm going to say that again. No face required. YouTube automation channels use voiceovers, stock footage, and AI tools to publish videos at scale. Once a video ranks, it earns ad revenue forever. YouTube paid out over $70 billion to creators between 2021 and 2023. That's from their own transparency report. Top niches right now: finance, true crime, history, self-improvement, tech news. Pick one. Hire a $10 voiceover on Fiverr. Use Canva for thumbnails. Build the system. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest passive income models online, and it still works because it's simple. You recommend a product. Someone clicks your link. They buy. You get paid a commission. That's it. Amazon Associates starts at 1 to 3% commission, but platforms like ClickBank, Share a Sale, and Impact pay 30 to 50% on digital products. Influencer Marketing Hub puts the affiliate marketing industry at over $17 billion globally. You don't need a big audience either. A niche Pinterest account or simple blog can earn $500 to $2,000 a month passively. Here's the one most people sleep on. If you have a smartphone, you already have everything you need. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images pay you every single time someone downloads your photo or video clip. Shutterstock paid out over $1 billion to contributors through 2023. Some creators are earning $500 to $3,000 a month just from stock uploads they did years ago. Upload, get paid, repeat. That's the definition of passive. Email is not dead. It's actually more powerful than ever. A niche newsletter on a topic. People care about personal finance, fitness tips. Real estate investing can be monetized through sponsorships, affiliate links, and paid subscribers. Platforms like Substack and Beehive make it completely free to start. A newsletter with just 1,000 engaged subscribers can generate $1,000 to $3,000 per month through a single sponsorship slot. One email a week. Build it to 1,000 readers. You have a business. And this last one is the most exciting in 2026 because the tools didn't even exist 3 years ago. You can now use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney to create content assets at scale: blog posts, social media content packs, AI art for licensing, prompt packs, and more. Creators are selling AI prompt packs on Etsy for $10 to $40 each, and earning $2,000 to $8,000 per month from products they built in a weekend using free tools. We are at the earliest stage of this trend. That means right now, starting with zero is actually the perfect time to move. Look, none of these streams will make you rich overnight. I'm not going to lie to you, but here's the truth. Every person who is earning passive income today started with zero. They just started. Pick one stream from this list. Give it 30 days of consistent effort. Build the system, then add the next $1 in 12 months. You could have 3 to 4 of these running simultaneously, generating income while you sleep, while you work, while you live your life. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom is the decision to begin. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below. Which income stream are you starting with? I read every single one. See you in the next video. Let's build that freedom.